Mixtures and Solutions Quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Do not forget to answer the questions on the back by choosing the correct answer. Word bank. A. Relative density. B. Solution. C. Mixture. D. Dissolve. Number 1. When substances form a solution. Example: sugar forming a solution with water making sugar water. Number 2. A combination of two or more substances which maintain their own physical properties. Number 3. A mixture in which one substance dissolves in another. Example: Kool-Aid, tea, salt water. Number 4. Whether an object sinks or floats. Word bank. E. Soluble. F. Maintain. G. Classify. Number 5. To retain properties. Number 6. The ability to be dissolved. Example: sugar, but not ground pepper. Number 7. To arrange in groups or categories according to certain standards. Number 8. Students are combining ingredients to make solutions. Which of the following is a way they could speed up the process of combining sugar and water? A. Allow the solution to sit undisturbed. B. Heat the water. C. Add more sugar to the solution. Number 9. A science class performed an investigation by evaporating a solution containing 10 grams of salt and 50 milliliters of water. How much salt would you expect to find in the cup at the end of the investigation? A. 60 grams. B. 50 grams. C. 10 grams. Number 10. Which tool is necessary when using evaporation to separate a solution? A. B. C. Number 11. Which combination after mixing retains its original physical properties? A. Vinegar and baking soda. B. Oil and water. C. Salt and water. Number 12. A student is investigating mixtures. Which of the following is the best way to separate a mixture of gravel and sand? A. Separate the mixture using a sieve. B. Separate the mixture by evaporation. C. Separate the mixture using a magnet. Put an M for mixtures and an S for solution next to the correct example. Number 13. Sand and water. Number 14. Warm water and sugar. Number 15. Water, corks, and marbles.